Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Cozy Hermitage Craft Cottage. My name is John. It is Advent Vlogmas Day 5. And you probably won't get to watch this until day 6. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I should be doing these in the morning or something, but it doesn't work out for me, so I don't know. Um, anyway, today was a somewhat busy day. I brought some of the bins up from the basement, and Kristen went through and picked out got a bunch of decorations out and started putting things up and taking decorations down, putting them in a box, putting decorations up. So yep. Um, we did. She did find a little tree that has lights on it, but it doesn't light up. It doesn't work for some reason. But it has little ornaments on it, so I'm thinking I might steal those ornaments and put them on this tree. That'd be all right. But I don't know what other trees we have. I haven't got all the boxes up yet, so I don't know what all's in there. And I think I have Becca looking for a wreath for me um, for the doors. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. You know, I feel like doing some sewing today or tonight. It's nighttime. It is a little after 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, um, we did get snow last night. Just it's not really, I don't know. It's just a dusting. So the ground's white, but it's not like you're walking through. It's not even an inch deep. So, just a little layer of snow. Um, excuse me. Excuse me. Anyway, so just a little layer of snow, and it's what it is. Um, I don't mind snow. I didn't like snow when I was working. I don't mind driving in snow, but I don't know. It just I don't like other people driving in snow next to me. um, so and now that I don't have to drive in snow anymore, I'm worried about. I have two two of my kids are working in town. One of them is probably about an hour and a half. She has to go hour and a half in the evening, and then Christian, my other son, has to go about 40 minutes the other way at nighttime. And I don't know, I just don't. They're they're not new drivers, but they don't have much experience driving in the snow or in ice or anything like that. So you just get worried about them, but hopefully they'll do all right if it comes down to them. Told them just take it easy, go slow. Well, anyway, um, yeah, let's. I think I wanna do some sewing, so I'm gonna sew. I don't know, maybe a block or two of the pillowcase, and it's not gonna be a very long one tonight. Just I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna go back in the house but it's kind of nice out here though. A little bit chilly. I think it's I think it's about it's been staying about anywhere from 56 degrees up to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in the little house in the craft cottage, which it's not too bad. I think it's probably about the same as in the house. I'm cold in the house too. So anyway, let's go over to the sewing machine. Okay, let's see if I can sew these together without messing them up. I think they're a little bit off a little bit. So how's everybody doing? You guys have snow where you're at or anything? Let's see. Okay. Come on. Bit faster than what I was ready for. Let me see. Here's one. And let's see. See how this is supposed to go. Yeah, like that. Okay. I'm probably wrong on that. I hope not. Come on. Uh-oh. My thread came out. Yeah. Oh no. Now this might take me a while to rethread this. I'll put you on hold for a minute. Okay, we're back again. It only took me, I don't even know what time it is now, half an hour to rethread the sewing machine and get it to work again. Well, I threaded it once, but I missed a part, so I threaded it again and missed a part again, and so anyway, now it seems to be working. So let's sew this strip here. Okay. Well, Let's see how these turn out. Not very good. But they're kind of off in a symmetrical kind of way. Huh. Well, let's sew it together again anyway. I don't care. Let's see what happens here. I'm just having fun sewing. Wife's still kind of sick a little bit. She's not feeling good, though. I think it could be because she just did a bit too much today, and that happens. Huh. See, it's off a little bit in the middle. I don't know whether I'm concerned that much by that, but seam allowance seems all right. Maybe not. Well, I think I'll think on that for the night and decide whether to pick it out and start over again or not. Anyway, go back over to the chair. Okay. Well, that was interesting. I think I'm probably gonna rip that out and try again. But I think I'm gonna pick another square and do that tomorrow and do it the proper way. Maybe ironing the seams, make sure everything's flat, and see if I can't get those points to be more pointy. We will see. I'm thinking of making Kristen a lap quilt. I have enough squares to do that. Which would mean I would put the first quilt on hold for a little bit while I get this other one going. I mean, I've heard lots of people that do quilting have lots of tops laying around that they're not totally quilted yet. So I'm gonna do the same thing and leave that quilt for the first quilt for a little bit while I work on where I look at designing the other quilt. I have, one of the reasons for that is I have this fabric that I was going to use for the backing of the quilt. And I can't buy any more fabric till next month after Christmas. So, so if I use this on the first quilt, I don't have anything for Kristen's quilt. And I guess I could, I don't know whether she'd like that original quilt or not. I don't know. I'll have to think on this. Huh. The other quilt has the quilt squares. Let's see. See, this is a baggie full of quilt squares. There's tons of them. And they're all kind of different. I mean, it seems to me that there's 4 of the same to make a block. But there's lots of different ones in there. I mean, there's lots of different blocks. So, and I don't know I mean, that's this white fabric with, you know, a color on it. I don't know whether I should have a darker backing or whether that white backing, I don't know, cream colored backing would be all right with that, or whether it would just look, I'm thinking it'll look too washed out. Maybe I'll just give Kristen that first quilt. I don't know. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Yeah. I'll make a decision tomorrow or tomorrow. And we'll see what we're going to do. So, anyway, I think I'm done for tonight. I got my sewing machine fixed, so, or you know, my sewing fix. So I think I can go in and go to bed now, or at least go in and try and catch up on my Vlogmas videos. So anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Please give me a thumbs up, even though I don't know if I did anything today to deserve a thumbs up. But like, subscribe, you know, share, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.